Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I will show you how to replace the Dodge key fob housing. Now as you can see, this key fob is pretty much done. It's not working and the housing is damaged, so I got a new housing without the chip from Amazon. It was like 12 bucks, I believe. And what I will do, I will take the motherboard, the chip from this key fob, and I will install it into this one, install a new battery, and that way I will have a brand new key fob for 12 bucks. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to slide this button up and pull out this small key. So I will try to zoom it in a bit. So you just want to slide this up and pull out this small key. And you want to do that on both of the key fobs, the new one and the old one. As you can see, the new one came with the uncut keys, so if you want to do it, you can take this to a Dodge dealer or any automotive locksmith and they should be able to cut you the new key. But what I will do, I will just use the existing key, which is good, and I will just install it into this new key fob once I replace the motherboards. Okay, so the next thing to do, you will have to separate this key fob into two parts. You can do that by using like a small flat screwdriver or a small knife or whatever you have handy. So you want to pry it like between these two sides. Okay, just like this, you see, and then you just pop it open. And then you can use your hand to completely separate it. If it wasn't separated for a while, you might have to use a knife and just cut it and get all the junk out all around the openings. And what you will do now, you will just push the motherboard out from this side. Just be careful with it so you don't damage it. Okay, just like this. Next thing, you want to open the new key fob the same way, so just pry it open. This one should go much easier actually, just like that. Okay, so once you have this new key fob taken apart, you will install this rubber piece into this opening, just like that, and then you will install the motherboard inside it. It should fit nicely, and then you will use the cover just to close it up. Now in my case, I don't have a battery handy on me, so if you have a battery, you'll install the battery right now here. I don't have it, I'll do it in the future, but this is how you do it. So you just want to snap it back together, and that should be it. Very easy to do, and this way you will have like a brand new key fob, and then you can install your old key or new cut key, whatever you have back here. And like I said before, this way you can have a brand new looking key fob for only 12 bucks. You just have to replace the motherboards from the old key fob to the new key fob housing, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.